Assalamualaikum developers. Today we are going to talk about how to create custom button on Android Studio. We will start with a basic button and convert it into a custom button. So let's start. First of all, open an Android project. I have already opened it. Go to activitymain.xml. Now here you can see that we have a text view present. So we will remove this text view and change the constraint layout to relative layout. Now as this tutorial is about adding a button, so we will add a button whose width will be match parent and height will be 80 dp. Now we can see here that our button is present at the top of our screen. We want it to come here in center, so we will write here center in parent true. Now I can see here that our button is now in the center of our screen. The next thing that I want to do is to give right and left margin, so I will write here left margin and I will give it value 20 dp. Similarly I will write here right margin 20 dp. Now we can see here that our button is margined from right and left equally. Now we have created our simple button, which was our stage 1. Now moving towards stage 2 of creating a custom button that will look like this. So for that purpose we will go to resource folder, drawable, right click on drawable and drawable resource file. We will name it custom button resource and press OK. Now as you can see here we have an XML file open in front of us. I will change this selector to shape and I want to give my button shape rectangle. Now the next thing that I will add here is solid, which is basically color that I want to give to my button. Now if you go back here, we can see the hex code for our color. So we'll just copy this code and paste it here and close the tags. Now you can see here that our desired color is in Android Studio now. The next thing that we want to give our button is these round corners. So for that purpose we will write here corners radius and I will give them 25 dp and close the tags now. Now we can see here that these corners are round now. The last thing that I want is to give border to my button. So for that purpose I will write here stroke color and for color I will go again back here in borders and get the hex code from here and paste it here. And now I will close the tags, but we can see that the border is not visible right now, so we have missed one parameter. We will write here Android width and give it width 3 dp. Now we can see that the border is prominent. Now we have created a resource file. Now we will go back to our activitymain.xml. In here we will write background and now we will be adding a resource file to our button. For that purpose we will write at drawable and if you see down here our custom button resource is present, so we will press enter and now we can see that our button has changed. But as you can see here the corners are not that much round, so if you want to change the value of corner radius you have to go back to the source folder and now we will write here 35 dp and we will go back to our activitymain.xml and now yes, we can see that our corners are properly rounded as per our requirement. Now the next thing that we want to do is to add this text here. So we will go back to our activityman.xml and here we will write text. Now you can write here any text you want, but I will write here hello developers. And I will give it size 30 sp. Now you can see here that all the alphabets present in our word hello developers are in capital letters. To change them, you can write here all text all caps and give it value false. Now you can see here that only H and D is capital. So now as you can see that we have added a custom button in our activity. Now the next thing that I want from you guys is to tell me how to convert this button into this button. You can comment your answer in comment section, but let me give you a hint. For your button to be proper circle, you need to give equal width and height, and rest will remain same. But you might need to change a little bit of your code from here. So what needs to be changed? Write in the comment section. If this video has helped you even a little bit, then kindly subscribe to the channel and like this video.